Today I'm making chocolate snowball cookies. First in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next add half a cup of powdered sugar. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next mix that up until it's light and fluffy. Then add 1 1/4 cups of flour. Next add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk. Next mix that up until the dough comes together. Now I have a lined cookie sheet. In my hand I have a scoop of the cookie dough. I'm going to press it down and then I'm going to add a Hershey's Hugs in the center and roll it into a bowl and place it on the cookie sheet. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the cookie dough and bake this at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies are done and they've cooled, I'm going to dip each one in this bowl of powdered sugar. Lastly, I added the chocolate snowball cookies onto a tray, and here's an up-close look.